Meet the Marseille Catchall bags. These luxe organizational accessories come in two sizes, large and small, which are sold separately. You'll love the two-tone look, which is made with water-resistant nylon and vegan leather accents. Each catchall has an easy-to-grab top handle as well as a fully opening main compartment. The smaller size doesn't have any extra slip pockets, but the large catchall includes two mesh slip pockets on the front and back walls. It also has a mesh zippered pocket on the top interior. Overall, the large catchall is perfect for carrying a breast pump and accessories or for packing diapers and wipes easily in one place. The small catchall is ideal for small personal items or toiletries for mom. If you need to store the catchalls, just nest the small one easily inside the large one. Overall, these Marseille Catchall bags are great for organization, whether you need to take a breast pump to work or you just need to keep smaller items organized while packing for a trip.